Hello my people, welcome again to Glatory. On my today's video, I will show you how I made this natural sugar. I know a lot of question is going on your mind. Yes, I will answer all those how through this video. So make sure you watch to the end. This is very easy recipe, If you can make yours, why do you need to buy? At least you're sure of what is going inside your body. So this is very easy recipe, just as I told you, and you can do it on your own. You can see natural sugar, natural sweetener. I went to this shop and I bought the sugarcane juice. Yes, I used sugarcane juice for this. It was extracted from that machine, and here each can is like 500 ml. So I bought 3 cans of sugarcane juice for this recipe. So now I'll be putting it on my pan. So I discovered this pan might not be enough, so I transfer it to this pot. So if today is your first time you're seeing my video, you are highly welcome. And for my returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much for always tagging along with me. Yes, I will cook this and it will keep boiling until all the water dries up and it thickens up. Okay, so you can see the water is really going down. So this is very easy recipe. All you needed is only one ingredient for this recipe, which is the sugarcane juice. So you can see it's almost getting done. When it starts foaming like this, that means it's ready. So you can see the color has changed. At this time, I'll off the heat. So if today is your first time seeing my video, remember to subscribe, follow my page, like my video, comment, and please share so that others will learn. Okay, you can see all done. I'll be transferring it into this cup. So at this time you need to be fast because it's easy for this to crystallize, especially when it gets cold and they start getting hardened. So I'll be using this mold for this sugar. Okay, so you can use any mold of your choice for this recipe. Yeah, this is very easy, making your own sugar. There is joy when you make your own thing and you are sure of what you are eating. I hope you get to try this recipe. You can see it's getting thickened up already, so I need to be fast to pour in. You see, it's already getting hard. Yeah, this time if you feel like it's so hard, you can microwave it to soften it. So remember to subscribe if you have not subscribed to my channel, or follow my page, like my video, comment, and please share so that others will get to see. You can see it's already firming up. Okay, this is after 2 hours. It's already crystallized. So there's a joy when you can make your own thing. So at this time, if you want it powdery form, you need to blend it into powdery, but I prefer it in this block form. Okay, I hope you get to try this recipe. This is very easy. You Yeah, it's very easy. Just as I told you, all you needed is only one ingredient for this recipe. So hope you get to try this. And sugarcane has a lot of benefit, health benefit, more than sugar. So give it a try. You will not regret doing that. I like the look and the taste is wonderful. Tastes more like toffee candy, but it's good. Hope you get to try this. Thank you for watching my video and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye.